Hi guys, I decided to make what looks like a flower wall without spending all that money because flower walls are really expensive. And I came up with this idea. It's not like the regular flower wall, but it kind of works. So I'll show you how I did it on part of the wall. So I got these foam flowers from AliExpress. For $10, you get 100 of them. And then you're going to need a foam board that's from the dollar store and it costs just $1. You're also going to need a hot glue gun. If you do craft, you always need a hot glue gun. So these flowers, when you're getting them, make sure you get the ones that say 7 or 8 centimeters. Now, in the pictures, they're very deceiving. You could easily get the 1 centimeter and you're going to get flowers that are so tiny and completely useless. So make sure it says 7 or 8 centimeters at least. This part is very easy. Just apply the hot glue, and I'm surprised how quickly hot glue actually dries, which is pretty good. So apply glue and stick it on, and in a few seconds it's already dry. And I just keep doing that. So I did not want the whole thing to be just one color, so I decided to do a combination of cream white and pink. I think on the listing this color is actually called champagne, something like that. I try to put them close together without a large space in between, but at some point I guess I got lazy and the spaces got a little bit kind of bigger. So don't do that. You need to put your flowers really close together. It's gonna make the job a little bit more tedious, but it doesn't take that much time to fill up a whole board. And the flowers that you need for an entire board, you need about 140, I counted. And also, just a point of correction, I combined it with peach, not pink. So those flowers are peach. And I don't know what was going on this day. I was acting like I was high on something. I don't know, my energy was just up. Okay. And I used double-sided tape. I think it holds up to 2 pounds. When you put on this tape, make sure you do it just once. So put it on all four sides and put it just once, because if you try to take it off and put it back, you're going to rip off the foam board. It's very fragile. So that's the only thing you need to be cautious about when you apply the double-sided tape. And then you just tape it to the wall and press it on there for a few seconds and you are good to go. Also, just do me a favor and ignore the price tag on my shirt. I thought it was just one that I took off, but I guess there were two. I did not see the other one hanging there. So just watch without looking at it.